Welcome to this 10-minute meditation video. I invite you to find a quiet and comfortable place where you can fully relax and let go of any distractions. As you settle into your space, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension in your body. Allow yourself to sink deeper into your seat or your mat. Now, imagine a peaceful scene in nature, perhaps a forest or a beach. Visualize yourself in this calming environment and let yourself become fully immersed in it. Allow your senses to awaken to the sounds, smells, and sensations of this serene space. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in calmness and tranquility. With each exhale, let go of any negative energy or emotions that you may be holding onto. Allow your body to become more relaxed with each breath. Allow your mind to become still and peaceful. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your thoughts. Notice any worries or stress that may be weighing on you, but don't hold on to them. Instead, let them pass like clouds in the sky. Allow your mind to become clear and focused on the present moment. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a warm, glowing light emanating from your heart. Imagine this light spreading throughout your body, filling every inch of you with love and compassion. Allow this feeling of love to expand beyond yourself and radiate out to the world. As you focus on your heart center, think about someone or something that you're grateful for. Allow this feeling of gratitude to fill your heart, spreading throughout your body and filling you with positive energy. Now, take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to fully feel this gratitude and positive energy. Now, bring to mind any challenges or difficulties that you may be facing in your life. Allow yourself to fully acknowledge these challenges, but also bring to mind the strengths and resources that you have to face them. Visualize yourself overcoming these challenges with ease and grace. Allow yourself to fully believe that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Take a few deep breaths and allow this sense of empowerment to fill your body and mind. Now, imagine yourself in a beautiful, healing space. This could be a garden, a temple, or any other place that feels calming and restorative to you. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this space, feeling the healing energy and love surrounding you. As you bask in this healing energy, bring to mind any people in your life who may need healing or positive energy. Visualize sending them love, light, and healing energy, wishing them peace and happiness. Take a few deep breaths and allow this sense of love and compassion to expand beyond yourself, connecting you to all living beings and sending out positive energy and goodwill to the world. Now, spend the next couple minutes focusing on this energy and your breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Remember to carry this sense of calmness and compassion with you throughout your day. Thank you for meditating with me.